Don't quit throwing them so quick. Wait till you can hit somebody like this.
I'm a pepper. You don't want to make me pepper. You don't want to make me use this pepper. He's gonna throw it at you.
Oh! Almost got him right in the
I
head.
want to throw this good one, but I want to throw it at somebody.
Like Papa?
All right.
Yeah!
Come on. Let it go. Come on.
2 matches in 1 day. Wow. Want to help them? I deserve the last one.
Oh.
Oh God.
You Papa!
I'm the last one. What?
Uh-oh, Max has the last one.
Hey Max, throw it to me. Hey Max,
Aw.
no! Let's make more.
Oh.
This is fun. I'm gonna make one for myself. Let's make more. This is fun.
You gonna pick them all up?
Yeah. I'll be the one that picks all of them up. You guys, and I'll help build the balloons. Make the balloons.
Okay.
All right.